Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, HJ. Dah lama dah sebenarnya HJ tak buat video dengan korang. So basically this is my second video after my first one, which is I unboxing Fimi Pump, which is my new camera. So basically I will start active back in my YouTube channel. So today our agenda is I want to unboxing with you guys the parcel that I got all the way from Korea. Yay! But before that, let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, to my beloved HJ Squad. So today our agenda is, as I mentioned before, we will unboxing parcel all the way from Korea. It is from CosRx. Yay! This is the first time ever in my career life, which is as a beauty guru, skincare guru. So basically, or your skincare junkies ke, so you guys boleh cakap apa pun, tapi this is my biggest achievement because CosRx Korea personally DM me to be one of the first skincare reviewer to try out the new agent cakap, tapi since we are not unboxing yet, and you guys mesti tak sabar kan nak tahu apakah parcel yang HJ nak unboxing to you guys. But stay tuned, HJ dah sediakan video unboxing to you guys, and let's check it out.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Wah, korang dah nampak kan? Nampak tak? HJ dah unboxing dah for you guys. Siap-siap. Senang kan? Nampak. So now today I will explain to you more detail about these 3 real fit vitamin serum. So HJ akan rungkaikan satu persatu. Apa yang korang nampak tadi, HJ dapat vitamin C serum, vitamin E serum, and oh my god, yang paling HJ tunggu-tunggu adalah retinol serum from Korea. So before that, untuk HJ Squad yang tak pernah tahu apa tu CosRx, so basically CosRx is one of the oh my god, it is a famous Korean beauty skincare lines, di mana CosRx bermaksud cos is cosmetic, RX is bermaksud prescription. Okay, so let's dive in. So before that, tada! You guys nampak tak? This is the CosRx box yang diorang send to me personally from Korea. So basically I will unbox again to you guys. So yeah, it is expecting tomorrow, stated here. So basically expecting tomorrow is the like logo ke, motto ke, you name it. So you're expecting a good skin for tomorrow by using CosRx. Oh my god, that is a brilliant. Without further ado, let's unboxing it. Ta-da! So it stated be your own kind of beautiful. Nampak packaging pun dah nampak. Sebab besar sangat kotak ni sebenarnya. So next, macam yang korang nampak tadi, di video pendek unboxing HJ yang HJ dah sediakan. So basically kita akan dapat 3 jenis serum, iaitu vitamin C serum, vitamin E serum and retinol. So basically this real fit line is actually not launched yet in Malaysia, but I'm not sure when. But you guys just stay tuned and please follow my social media account. Yeah, I will let you guys know and update on this. And if I'm not mistaken, it's available in Korea, but it is all sold out, especially this retinol serum. So kita akan tengok serum yang pertama, iaitu vitamin E serum. Basically, when you open the box, okay, saya akan tunjuk kat korang. When you open the box, it said that you have to use it within 3 months. Korang nampak tak? So let's see. Oh wow, it's have a dropper and also the serum, the vitamin E serum. So I will explain to you guys. So vitamin E serum is a 99% purity pure vitamin E, which is in this one bottle you will get a 20% of the concentration. So basically it is so potent. So basically it has 5 kind of seed oil. So and also, as you all know, vitamin E is good for replenishing, moisturizing and nourishing. So it's all about repair skin barrier and also make your skin more healthy. It stated use daily to see a result for 30 days, which is 1 month. So it also suggested that you have to use it with vitamin C serum. So yeah, so we will move on to our vitamin C serum from this real fit vitamin serum. So we pick a card. Yes, this is the pink card. It states that vitamin C serum, it has 99% purity pure vitamin C and have a concentration 23%, and it also have propolis extract to suit the skin. So basically, as you guys know, vitamin C is for antioxidizing, brightening and tone evening. As you can see, my face, I have a dark spot from my previous acne scars, and also it takes time to lighten up. So let's see the vitamin C serum. So okay, before that, the direction is you have to use SPF when you use it, when you use this vitamin C in the morning. So kalau korang guna waktu pagi, korang kenalah guna SPF, sebab vitamin C ni actually is an active ingredient. So basically kalau you tak guna SPF, it will burn off your skin. So you want to be brighter, but you actually make it more darker. So wearing SPF, so it has a visible result within 30 days, and it stated that you have to use it with a vitamin E. So as you guys know, as you all know, vitamin C and vitamin E is a great combo to make your skin more brighter, to make your skin more even, and also it will smooth out all the bumpy texture. So it is very good when you mix it with vitamin E and C. So it will make a great serum. Okay, so you have to use it, but do not mix it with AHA, BHA or retinol. You have to use this both to get a great result in 30 days. So basically, kalau korang guna dua ni, korang akan dapat great result because it is highly concentrated. And lastly, this is the most exciting part where I couldn't wait to try it on my skin. So basically, as you guys know, retinol is very good for anti-aging. Retinol anti-aging, wow. So retinol is actually for refining, brightening, and firming. So as I mentioned earlier, vitamin C is for brightening, right? So basically in retinol, it also can brighten up your skin. So retinol is a very super good and beneficial to our skin. It's the first time CosRx makes serum that cooperate retinol. So this is the first baby retinol from CosRx. So that's why I am super excited about this. I couldn't wait to try, so let's open the box. I already opened the box actually. So use within 3 months of opening. It's already it's stated in this box. So basically you will get this kind of bottle, also in the black bottle. So you have a dropper. So yeah. This is the 3 serum that I really love it. I will love to use it, and I will love to review it, and I love to share with you guys. So you guys, if you guys want to know how I'm using these all 3, you guys have to stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel and share and like and ask your friend to follow my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, please, and you will be the first one to watch my YouTube video. So without further ado, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the review, and follow all my social media at Haziq Jamaluddin, so you will not missing out any review for this awesome serum from CosRx. So yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye.